A smart kitchen revolution. Top 4 trends transforming cooking in 2025. The modern kitchen is no longer just a place to prepare meals. It has become a high-tech, wellness-focused, and sustainability-driven hub of the home. In 2025, kitchens are evolving rapidly to meet new lifestyle demands. With smart technology, health-conscious innovations, eco-friendly solutions, and multifunctional design trends leading the way. The kitchen of today is smarter and more efficient than ever before. Smart appliances are at the heart of the kitchen revolution. In 2025, AI-integrated ovens, fridges, and dishwashers dominate. These appliances are equipped with sensors that track usage patterns and make recommendations. For instance, your smart refrigerator now scans expiry dates, suggests recipes based on remaining ingredients, and syncs with your grocery app to auto-replenish staples. Voice-activated assistants can preheat ovens, adjust lighting, or set timers, hands-free. Even smaller gadgets like blenders and kettles now have app integration, allowing remote operation and precise customization. These advancements don't just improve convenience, they reduce food waste and save energy, making smart tech a must-have. Kitchen wellness is trending across all demographics. Home cooking is increasingly tailored to support physical and mental well-being. Nutrition tracking smart scales and cooking systems now guide users toward healthier choices with real-time feedback on caloric content and nutrient density. Water filtration systems have become more advanced, ensuring cleaner, mineral-balanced water directly from taps. Air fryers and steam ovens that preserve more nutrients while minimizing fat are now household staples. Personalized nutrition plans, often linked to wearable health trackers, sync with kitchen devices, creating an ecosystem where food preparation supports individualized health goals seamlessly and efficiently. Sustainability is more than a buzzword in the kitchen. It's a design and function priority. In 2025, sustainable kitchens feature composting solutions integrated into waste systems, induction cooktops that reduce energy use, and widespread adoption of reusable food storage over single-use plastics. Recycled and eco-friendly materials dominate kitchen renovations. Think bamboo countertops, recycled glass backsplashes, and energy-saving LED lighting. Beyond materials, smart dishwashers now optimize water usage and alert homeowners of leaks or inefficiencies. The kitchen becomes a space that reflects a commitment to environmental responsibility, blending aesthetics with conscious living. Flexibility and multifunctionality define the modern kitchen layout. With more people working from home, the kitchen often doubles as a meeting space, classroom, or mini office. Modular kitchen islands serve as cooking stations by day and workspaces by evening. Convertible cabinetry hides appliances and charging stations, keeping the space clutter-free. Fold-out seating and adjustable lighting accommodate various tasks from casual family dinners to late-night work calls. These designs aren't just for show. They reflect the need for adaptive, livable spaces that change with the user's needs. In 2025, the kitchen is no longer a static zone, but a dynamic core of the household.